Hello, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem with the Internet Killer network driver for gigabyte motherboards. Okay, first guys, you need to download your motherboard driver. So let's go to gigabyte, let's go support, downloads, and then you choose motherboard, then choose your socket, choose your chipset you have, and the motherboard you have. Click search, bring you up. Click on support and download. Just choose drivers from here, which will be chosen by default. If not the case, then choose Windows 10. It doesn't matter actually. Then you should see something like Bigfoot LAN driver. Then just click and download, and you will be downloaded a zip file. Then extract this on your desktop and copy the driver folder on your USB or just find a way to copy this on your server's desktop or anywhere, so you will be able to access that drivers when you want to install to the image. Well, this is actually simple. Well, I have remotely connected my server here, but it's not necessary to connect remotely. You can even do it on a TeamViewer or directly to the server by locally. Now, the one thing first I want to tell is actually, in order to install Windows deployment on a PC, or I mean, if you want to deploy a Windows 10 on a PC, you don't necessarily need Windows 10 boot image. You can take that boot image of Windows 8.1 or any Windows, and you can install the Gigabyte Internet driver on that boot image. And when you're gonna load that boot image into a PC with a network card, you're gonna still see Windows 10 boot image installed over there. So then you can choose and go with it. So guys, first here I have a driver. I have a driver of the Gigabyte Internet Killer for the Gigabyte motherboards. So I have all the drivers here: Windows 7, Windows 7, 64, and one thing more. You guys do need to have a boot image which is 64-bit or x64, because it does not work with 32-bit or x86. So it's supposed to be 64-bit. So it's a simple issue. It's not a very big. I was even looking for this to fix on internet, and there was like no hope. But actually, I got it. How to do this? So first of all, let's jump into. Oh, it's right. Everything. Never mind. Let's go Tools. Go Windows Deployment. So here. So I know now when you try to install a driver package to a boot image of Windows 10, in the end it says operation failed, or just gives you an error that that driver cannot be installed on that. So let me show you what to do. So I have this folder which contains Gigabyte Internet Controller drivers. I will have a link in the description. So basically what you need to do, well, just create a group which will be called, let's say, Gigabyte drivers for WDS. Let's say, and click next, and just click next, and next, finish. Now we're gonna just add drivers to this package. We're gonna click add. We're gonna click add driver package and choose this one. Gonna browse. So now this is Gigabyte driver. Just select the folder. You do need to have all of these drivers installed into in order to make it work, because I even tried with the Windows 7, 8 and the 10. Even you try to take a driver from Windows 10 x64, it won't work. It just gives you DHCP error for some reasons. So what I did, I took the all drivers and installed. So I'm gonna press OK. So now it's gonna import all the drivers. So let's just wait. It's done this. Almost done. So we have we have 34 drivers, which half of them gonna be 64-bit. So you press next again. It's gonna just load up. Press next again. Choose okay, which one here? Okay, press next and finish. Now we take a boot image of anyone. Now see, I gonna install, well, I have this boot image called Windows 8.1. I gonna install these drivers on the 8.1 boot image. The reason why, because the driver for the gigabyte network card, I don't know, for some reasons the internet card you have for the 1 gigabyte per second connection, it won't work with the Windows 10 boot image. It's like there's some architecture problem with that, so it's not supporting. I tried basically, so now just simply add those driver to it. So I just take add package group ID, I mean WDS. You're gonna add, okay, remove this, search for packages, now press next, and now let's see what happens, and it's gonna work. So yeah guys, like I said, you guys don't really need to have Windows 10 boot image in order to install Windows 10 on a PC. You can just grab a boot image from Windows 8.1, and you're gonna still see when you're gonna select your package on the deployment, it's gonna still show you the Windows 10 images over there, which I have installed here. Oh, that's just done here. Okay, taking a little time, so just wait. I know it's boring, but you guys can just simply skip the video a little bit. Okay, a little more boring. Skip it, please. Guys, do comment if it works for you, or even note so I could know that it's helping or not. Okay, seems pretty much done now. It's just unmounting image. Okay, almost done. There we go. Press finish. Now, since you know that this operation was successful, it has installed all the drivers correctly. Now, when you're gonna deploy an image on a PC from your server, just select Windows 8.1 boot image. So when you will select that, it will boot successfully, and you will go where you will have to enter your username and the password. Then you can choose, then it will show a list of the images that you have installed here in the install images over there. So you can just simply select even Windows 8 from there, Windows 10, even Windows 7 you can select, even if you're running Windows 8.1 boot image. So yeah, basically guys, just install the drivers, expect the Windows 10 image boot image, because I think that does not actually support. I can send an email to Gigabyte, maybe they will be able to fix and release an update for those drivers. So yeah guys, well, thanks for watching my video, and I will have all the links in the descriptions for the drivers, and thank you.